Hello and welcome everyone. I'm here with an amazing hosting or coupon code deal right now through which you can save as much as up to 95%. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing coupon code deal. Once you click on the link in the description, you will be landed over here, and now I'm going to tell you step by step on how you can get as much as up to 95% discount when you click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as I'm going to tell you in this video. So watch this video in full so you can get to know how you can save as much as up to 95% discount. So once you land over here, you can see a 30 days money back guarantee is running right now. So that is an exclusive offer by Hostinger. For no questions asked, you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee, which is a very good feature to bring the confidence of the buyers. Now the second thing is to see around the reviews on Trustpilot, and let's look around on the reviews. 4.7 rating is very good, but let's see some of the reviews. This is my first time making a website with Hosting Horizon, and it's fantastic. It was great help me to save my time. I'm extremely happy with the support I received today. It was a great experience with Lois. So you can see around 5-star, 4-star. I had an amazing experience with Hostinger for our business website. So you can see I'm just getting started with the Hostinger. This reviews for their AI assistant code. So I'm thoroughly impressed. I really appreciate Hostinger. So you can see all of the reviews are amazing and inspiring for Hostinger, and this is one of the reasons why I prefer people to buy their hosting from Hostinger. These are some of the reviews and testimonials of the people. See, almost all of them have a very good experience. Even I have a very good experience. I'm using it from the last 5 years, and my experience so far is very good. These are some of the famous websites on the internet which endorses and support Hostinger as a primary hosting company. If you scroll below, this is Hostinger Horizons. It's an AI tool. You just have to give the command. It's automatically going to create the websites, and Hostinger also supports WordPress. Even my own blog is in WordPress. So if you plan to create a WordPress website, Hostinger is going to manage it. And if you use the link in the description and then move on to migrate to Hostinger, and if you're coming from another hosting company, just follow the procedure, and Hostinger is going to migrate all of your website, and that too free of cost. Now move back over here, and now I'm going to tell you how you can save as much as up to 95% discount with this special coupon code deal. So scroll below and move on to these plans. Now the coupon code is valid on any of the plan. All of the plans have 30 days money back, and you can cancel anytime, and all of the plans have 24/7 support. If you ask me, for the first year I use a premium plan, and from the second year onwards I'm using the business plan. But by default Hostinger has 3 plans: premium, business and cloud startup. You can avail the coupon code discount on any of the plan, but the most discount where you can save as much as up to 95% off is on the business plan, which is also their popular plan. I'm also using it from the second year onwards. My plan is on business plan, and I'm very satisfied with it. But before you choose, I highly recommend you to do a thorough research of all the plan features, functions before you avail this amazing coupon code deal. So once you are done with your research, simply select the choose plan over here. Now you can see it's 79%, but now I'm going to make it 95% for you. So make sure to click on the link in the description and then follow my instructions so you can save amazing amount of money when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So once you select the choose plan, now you are landed over here. I'm going to make myself small so you guys have a clear vision. Now Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods to buy your hosting, but these are special a one-time deal and won't appear again. So my suggestion sorry, is to take the maximum discount by opting for the 48 months, but you can opt for other months as well. Once you select your billing period, you can claim your free domain right now over here or later on through the Hostinger control panel. The free domain is only valid for the first year. Please keep in mind this. I'm just writing a domain just for an example to show you. Now once you write over here, make sure to make it 1 year so you do not have to pay anything, or if you want you can offer the second year onwards as well. Now you can see over here you are getting 48 months at 79% off. You're also getting daily backups. You're also getting free domain for the first year. And now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount deal. So it's going to be 95% off. How? 79% over here, $100 over here. Free domain for 1 year over here, and then 10% additional over here. Do your maths and you will realize that from 1052 you are at just 192. It's more than 95% discount on the original price. So you can use either of the coupon code. There is another coupon code as well. Both of the coupon codes are mentioned in the description of this video along with a special discount deal. If you want to save more money, make it 1 year so do not have to even pay for the 2 year onwards. You can see the price got a further discount or already running discounting. Now simply select the continue over here. The 30 days money back guarantee is valid over here to avail your coupon code discount. Once you select the continue, you may be asked to log into your Hostinger account or synchronize with the Google account or need to create a new account at Hostinger. After this, see your order summary over here. Everything is fine. Your coupon code discount is applied. Your coupon code is loaded. Now write your billing details over here and move on to the continue. And now once you move on to the continue after writing your billing details, select your payment method. Hostinger offer you variety of payment method, and this is what I like regarding Hostinger. That you can pay via credit card, you can pay via PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, and CoinGate. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose. For instance, if I'm going with a credit card, I'm simply selecting it, add a new payment method, write my credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. And as soon as I submit payment, within a few minutes, I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my hosting account details. So just for a revision, what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as I have described in this video to enjoy your amazing coupon code discount from Hostinger. I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years and my experience so far is very good, which is why I highly recommend you to enjoy this amazing Hostinger coupon code deal. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.